Yeah, let's wait for him to clear.
Come on, come on. There you go.
Yeah, that's how Mike broke his avstars. He's taxiing over and he had to gap it. They had no glue on that anyway.
If it's stock, they barely put any. Tax it out.
Tax it out.
Take off now.
Ready? Go.
China clear.
Ready? Go.
Taking off.
Gear up.
You're clear.
Flaps up.
I didn't know Burning Man was still out there.
Me neither. I thought he was already gone.
Low pass from the left. I love this plane so much. Alright, where are you going? Another fast pass?
Go.
Low pass from the left. Going up.
Go for the glider.
Yeah, I see him.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
Thing's fast. That glider's just hanging out over there, so look out.
I'm doing a pass from the right.
Okay, I'm clear.
Low pass from the right.
I'm doing one too. Low pass to the right.
Low pass from the right.
That thing's quick.
Time remaining.
Go ahead, you're clear. Yeah, go ahead, you're clear.
It'd be nice if he yelled that he was landing.
Because you can't fly like us do, doesn't mean you gotta give a flip.
Well, just yell where we can hear. I couldn't hear him say anything.
He was like, stop the low pass. Alright.
Oh, it's that annoying dude. That's why. It's anal. Everybody's so goddamn anal. Quit flying in a weird place and we want to.
Anal?
Yes. People just take this way too seriously.
You gotta fly with, you don't take this shit seriously. That's why we act like idiots when we fly.
Time
Well,
remaining.
it's more
1
fun that
minute.
way. Just say you're landing and we will clear, you know? You're talking away where I can't hear you, we're not going to know what you need, you know?
I'll just a slower low pass.
Go ahead. I'll come closest to us.
Alright. We're gonna land soon.
30 seconds.
Yeah, go ahead, take off. We got a little bit to land.
Go ahead and take off.
Right after he takes off.
Time remaining 16
Yeah,
seconds.
I'm gonna have to land right after he takes off.
10, 9,
Put the gear
8,
down.
7, 6. Gear down. 5, 4, 3.
Alright, landing from the left.
Landing flaps. 1. Time expired.
Oh, look out for that thing.
I'll be closest to us. It's gonna be fun.
Landing!
I've actually never landed this plane from this direction. It's
That's
nice.
right. It's been the other way every time, huh?
Yeah. Alright, I'm on center line.
You're good, I am too. I got plenty of room. Slow landing.
Flaps up.
I like this thing. This thing,
That thing's fast.
I love it.
I'm impressed with how quick it is.
I was at 5,000 too, so. Even quicker with a
6,000 is even faster.
Yeah,
I couldn't catch you.
more momentum in this.
I couldn't catch you.
Man, this has got to be my new favorite jet, man. This thing.
Runway clear!
Now with the lights and everything, it's like it tops it off.
Alright, cool.
It's so floaty on landing. It's like it doesn't want to land.
Yeah, but I never could catch you that whole flight. I tried to catch you, I couldn't.